This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookies in the house. First, gather your ingredients. 1 cup of softened butter, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Make sure your butter is at room temperature for easy blending. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, in a large bowl, cream together the softened butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Beat in the 2 eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Then, stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, and salt. Gradually add this dry mixture to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Now it's time to bake. Drop rounded tablespoons of your cookie dough onto ungreased baking sheets, spacing them about 2 inches apart. Bake in your preheated 375-degree Fahrenheit oven for 9 to 11 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown. The centers might still look a little soft, but they will set as they cool. Let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for 2 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Your delicious homemade cookies are now ready to enjoy. Serve them warm with a glass of milk or let them cool completely. For storage, place any leftover cookies in an airtight container at room temperature, where they will stay fresh for up to 5 days. They also freeze well for longer storage. If you're looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, check out the description for a link to the simple path to wealth and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.